Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. If you can't find it, it's probably gray and it says Portrait or Landscape. That means that auto rotation is disabled. In order to enable it, click on Portrait or Landscape shortcut with a padlock. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!